Hey yo, good morning Paradise Kingdom. Welcome to another sick vlog. And I know I was not uploading for like almost a week. I'm sorry, but I was busy planning some stuff for you guys. Like this video. From the title, you know that we are testing out some viral life hacks, and I have some crazy ones. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, for this next life hack, we are going to need some scissors and a sock. So what are we going to do is, we are going to make a homemade mask for your face. So yeah, what we will need is a sock, and you will cut this from right from here. So like this, and now we are going to cut it open like this. So you guys can see that this can be a face mask. So yeah, now for your ear, like we are going to make an incision for our ears. So we are going to fold it like this. We are going to take our scissors and make a small incision right over here. So like this, see. And now the same thing on the other side. We're going to make an incision. So yeah, there we go. This is your mask. So there we go guys. As you can see, I made my own face mask at home, right? It is a water. Yeah, there we go. As you guys can see, this is like not the really best, but if you go for a walk in a society or in your locality, or you're a frequent walker, so this is the best thing if you don't have mask at home. So yeah. So guys, for the next life hack, we are going to make Oreo muffins or cookie muffins, you can say. Like I don't have Oreos right now. I have some treats or some chocolate cookies. We will only need milk, so a little bit of milk and cookies. That's it. And for this now, we are going to take all of these cookies, like 4 cookies or 5, and then you're going to crush it like this in your mug. Now guys, you have to crush it like this. Okay, let it focus. Yeah, there we go. So you have to crush it like in really small bits or chunks, and then you will pour a very little amount of milk. Like you have to not overflow it, you just have to moist them. So I think so that is good enough, and then you will mix it well. See, so it would look like this after the milk is mixed, and then you have to keep it in the microwave for 60 seconds or 1 minute. So here it goes in the microwave for 1 minute. So guys, after 1 minute or 60 seconds, this is done. And this smells really good. Just look at this. And now let's test it. Okay, this is really hot. Oh my god, this is really good guys. Like only with 2 ingredients, this is really good. So guys, this next life hack is going to be a summer life hack. We are going to make some popsicles at home. Like we are going to need ice tray, any drink of your choice, anything. Like I have taken Mountain Dew, you can take anything, Coca-Cola, Mazda, any fruit juice, anything. And we will need some toothpick or ice cream sticks. I don't have ice cream sticks. If you have, that's good. So now we are going to pour some of the Mountain Dew in it, in the ice tray. Okay, I'm so scared it's going to spill. Okay, this is good enough. Don't forget this, because then you will have nothing to hold it. So just come a little closer. So we are going to put the toothpicks like this in our popsicles. Now we are going to put this inside the refrigerator. Okay, I have to be very careful. So guys, it's been 2 hours and our popsicles are done. And would you look at that? Bro, that looks so good. Okay, so I'm going to try one. There we go. Oh my, like, bro, this tastes so good. Like, this is actually Mountain Dew popsicle. Like, bro, like, do you want to try one?
Yes.
Okay, try one. Honest opinions.
It's good. It's really good.
Okay, so
All the taste
that
of
was
Mountain Dew.
was that a success?
Yes, I would say.
So guys, that that was a success, and that's really easy. Like you can make popsicles at home with any of your flavors, your favorite flavors, any one. Like I did it with Mountain Dew, and you can do it with anything. So yeah, and let's move. So guys, for this next life hack, we are going to do the vinegar egg one, where this is the bouncy egg one. So this is like a fun stuff that you can do at home at this moment. So what are we going to do? We are going to need a vinegar. We are going to need egg and a cup. So you are going to pour a little vinegar in the cup, just a little, that your egg is dipped in it fully. So like I have taken a little vinegar, and now, okay, that was my mistake. I hope it is not cracked. Let me see. Okay, yeah, it's not cracked, and as you can see that my egg is not coming up. It is fully in the vinegar. So now you will cover this up and keep it aside. You're going to keep it aside for 24 hours. Like you have to keep it aside for 24 hours. Some people do it for 48 hours, but I'm going to do it for 24 only. You can do it 48 hours also for a best result, but 24 hours will also be good, and I will meet you guys after 24 hours. So guys, it is the next day. It's been 24 hours. This egg has been sitting in the vinegar for the past 24 hours. So now we are going to take it out and see how it is. Okay, it's definitely got a little bit softer. I can feel it. Yeah, like just come closer. Like look at this. You guys can see it has become soft. So guys, as you can see, this has become really soft, and because it was not there for like 48 hours or 2 days, you can say, so this, like, the shell is not coming out, but it is becomes hard. Like, see, it is not like cracking, like I'm not going to of course drop it from really high place, because definitely it's gonna crack if I drop it from a really high place. But still, see guys, it bounced, but like, okay, it popped right now, but it bounced, guys. Like, this was, and just look at this. Look at this camera, it looks so funny. Oh my god, this looks like, this is a little messy, but it is also cool, guys. Yeah, you can do it when you're bored in quarantine, in your house locked down. So this is the thing you can do. And yeah, so guys, that's it. So guys, that will be the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and these were some mixed life hacks, not life hacks, but some fun stuff to do, some life hacks, cooking hacks. But if you guys want me to do more of these hacks, like a particular, like food hacks, only life hacks, so please comment down below. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and if you are new, join the squad. Please go and smash the subscribe button. Join the family, join the Paradise Kingdom, and I will meet you guys in the next video. For the time being, I'm Swam and I'm out. Peace.